All right, in this video, I'm going to show how to use multipass mode. It's very similar to the old pendant. It's still the same concept of teaching 2 points. And just like the old pendant, you've got to go into the pendant and configure that you want multipass mode. So we're going to take a look at that now. So every time you boot up the system, you'll need to go to the Program tab. So rotate this knob. It's called the navigation knob. Rotate it till it says Program, and then select by pushing the knob. And then again, rotate your knob, and we're going to go all the way to the right to the tab called Advanced. I'll select that with my knob, and then I need to go to Multipass mode. So I go to Multipass mode, select that, and then I can toggle between Standard mode and Multipass mode, just like before. Standard mode is if you want to teach many points, and then Multipass mode is required to teach just 2 points, and then you can do the multipass. All right, so I select multipass mode by pushing, and it says multipass mode. Now I'm ready to use the pendant. You can push the back button. I can go ahead and start programming, so I'll just do a quick demo of that. So I'm going to drag the robot to a start position. I don't have a torch on, so I'm just going to use this. I'm going to teach the point and teach it an arc, and then store the orientation. This is all just like before. I'm going to move to the end of my weld, recall that orientation, and then teach that point and turn the arc off. All right, so now I'm in multipass mode, so I can just drag to where I want the weld to begin and give it some arbitrary orientation. And then there is a run button on the pendant, just like before. So all I do is I push the run button, and the robot tracks along that linear seam. And then we have the same settings as before as far as speeds. So let me show you where those speeds are. On this main run screen, there is something called weld override. This is the same as that weld percent. So default is like 100%. And you can change that as it's welding or not. And then the one other weld velocity is the actual velocity used while programming. So I'm going to go to the Program tab, select that, and then go over to Edit. So this weld speed over here, that can be changed. And whatever you have it on, oops, you actually don't have to confirm that. Whatever it's on is what gets used when you teach your points. So make sure you set the weld speed before you teach your program. That's about it. If you don't like your program, you can go to the Delete tab and delete it and create a new program. Just again by dragging the robot. You can drag the robot and teach points at any time. The pendant doesn't need to be anywhere, any specific page. And then number this is just how you select different programs. So if I select this tab, I can change to a different program, and I could teach my program there. All right, thanks for watching.